Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we will be diving into some Layer 3 quests, two on zkSync and one on Starknet. We have OT Swap on zkSync. We have one-stop liquidity as a service with Izumi and introduction to Starknet with Bravos. And we'll go ahead and dive into the zkSync quests first. First up, OT trade, experience seamless trading with single token liquidity pools, reduced slippage, and an integrated DeFi platform for swapping, borrowing, and earning. So what is OT? OT is a new DeFi protocol that allows single token liquidity pools instead of pool pairs. It groups deposited tokens into a virtual pair with the native OSD stablecoin. Single token liquidity pools are more capital efficient, resulting in a more optimized experience for all participants, including traders, liquidity providers, and third-party projects. Problems OT is trying to solve. OT aims to solve high capital costs for project launches, high slippage on traditional AMMs, inefficient capital usage, convoluted smart contract routing resulting in high trading costs for indirect pairs, and overall fragmentation of DeFi. OT enables users to enjoy an integrated DeFi user experience by combining lending borrow pools with swap pools and providing single token liquidity pools. So make a swap on OT, swap from ETH to USDC on OT, trade zkSync. We'll connect our MetaMask and it'll swap us over to the zkSync mainnet. And we'll go to swap from ETH to USDC. Let's see, ETH. zkApes. That's funny. Okay, we'll go to, so we'll do 0.0. Doesn't say how much. Oops. But we'll go ahead and swap this. So you want ETH to USDC. Okay. That's plus gas. Success. Looks like the gas fees have come down quite a bit. And that looks like it. That's all for this quest. So this is OT, on-chain trade. You can trade here. There's markets. Not too many. zkApes token. Just go ahead and throw this zkApes token in there just to kind of play around. With some liquidity. And there we go. So I'll disconnect from here. Now that we're done with that, time for a quiz. So what is OT? A decentralized finance protocol with single token liquidity pools. What is one problem OT aims to solve? High capital costs for project launches. True or false? OT allows liquidity providers to deposit one token into the liquidity pool. True. Time for a poll. Yeah, that was okay. Bum, 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 bum. Level 22. All right. Next up, one-stop liquidity as a service with Izumi Finance. So Izumi Finance is a multi-chain DeFi protocol offering comprehensive liquidity as a service for all tokens, or LAS. Izumi Finance's products, Izumi mainly has Liquid Box and zkSwap as liquidity products. Izumi's Liquid Box enhances incentive efficiency, enabling protocols to distribute incentive rewards in certain price ranges. And zkSwap is an innovative discretized liquidity AMM that provides efficient on-chain liquidity for Web3 assets and a SEX-like order book trading experience for DEX users. What is discretized? The process of transferring continuous functions models into discrete counterparts. Okay. Interesting. So make a swap from ETH to USDC on the Izumi Finance. Right. Yeah, we're on here. We're connected. We're going to swap $1 something, $1 and some change. And the swap is done. Verify that. You can go in here and check out some of their other stuff. They got a pro. Ooh, look at that. I'm going to night mode. This looks like another one. Oh man, I forget. There's a couple exchanges that look like this. But yeah, a lot of them are the same. Oh, it didn't even give me a quiz. Okay. Well, that one was easy. We'll just disconnect out of here. And on to our last one. This one will be might be a little costly because we got a bridge to Starknet with Bravos, but this Explore Starknet, a validity rollup layer 2 that provides high throughput, low gas costs, and retains Ethereum layer 1 levels of security. So analogy to understand Starknet. Starknet scales Ethereum by replacing heavy L1 computation with lighter L1 verification using Stark proofs computed off-chain. Here's a useful analogy. You're given a Sudoku puzzle and your job is to convince people that the puzzle has been solved. In this instance, it's much easier to verify a solution than it is to solve the entire puzzle from scratch. The same is true for computing. We can save a lot of computation by having one person compute a solution and then propagate it for others to verify. How it works? Bear with us while we explain the concept in greater technical detail. Starknet is a permissionless validity rollup, also known as a zk rollup, that supports general computation and currently operates in production as an L2 network over Ethereum. The eventual L1 security of Starknet is ensured by its use of the safest and most scalable cryptographic proof system, Stark. Starknet contracts are, for the most part, written in the Cairo language, a Turing-complete programming language designed for Stark proofs. So install Bravos to start exploring the Starknet ecosystem. You'll create your Starknet address and use that to bridge funds from your standard wallet. Make sure you create a Starknet mainnet account inside as well. And I've got my Bravos wallet right here. So we can bridge to Starknet from one of those, or LayerSwap, or was it Starkgate or LayerSwap? I think Starkgate you might need to, or you may only be able to bridge from the Ethereum. Oh no, you can. Okay. Cool. So I thought you could only bridge from Ethereum to Bravos. But I guess not. Oh yeah, okay. So go to LayerSwap and yeah, pick whichever ones you want to from Arbitrum 1, let's see. Oh, not zkSync. I'm sorry. I'm stuck on the other one. Where is? Oh, they don't have it on here. They don't have Starknet. Oh, duh. So silly. So silly. Alright, we'll go up here. Go back to Arbitrum. Let's see how much I have in ETH. Okay. So let's see here. How much do I have? I'll just send over 0.01 to my Starknet address on Bravos. So once you download Bravos, you'll have to... Oh, okay. So that's to my Starknet address. I am the owner of this address. Deposit, let's see. I don't know. Let me check something real quick. Arbitrum, Starknet, 0.01. Nope. I want this guy. Okay. I just want to double, triple, quadruple check everything. Bada boom, bada boom. And okay. So we're sending over 0.01 ETH. It looks like the fees were pretty low. Yeah, looks like the fees were really low. That's awesome to see. All right. Looks like boom. You don't even need to wait for it to finish. Now, I know Bravos was doing something. I've been kind of avoiding setting up a wallet with them just because they hadn't really been around very long and I was using Argent. But let's check it out. I know they have a quest thing or some campaign going on. Right here. Starknet journey. And this quest is complete. Boom, boom. We did it. We got those done. So this came out about 10 days ago. Starknet Journey Map NFT, your interactive passport to Starknet Adventure. Follow the how-to guide to learn everything about the Starknet Journey Map. And yeah, so the first one is done. Step 2 has already started. Let's see. What do you got to do? Claim the mobile journey NFT. So the NFT represents the unique experience you'll have when using Bravos, enabling you to, yeah, all these steps. So let's, so you got to go to the app. If you need the mobile app, please scan the QR code, install Bravos. The mobile app's already installed. Scan, claim NFT. So I don't have the app on my phone, but I'll go ahead and do that later on. Oh, is there a... Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that later. But if you want to check out Bravos, they have all this cool stuff going on. That's really all I have for today's video. In the next Layer 3, we'll dive into some more. We might do the Cashmere, Wu-Fi, and maybe this Block Lords one. Yeah, we'll check out the Block Lords next. But if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. But with that, this is Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace.